Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of Boujee on a Budget. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my personal favorite recipes, tuna and noodles. I absolutely love this recipe because it is so cheap and so easy to make and also very quick. It only has 4 ingredients. The first ingredient being tuna, of course. The second being a can of condensed cream of celery soup. Make sure it's condensed. I've made the error multiple times and it will not turn out if you do not use condensed. You can also use cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, but cream of celery tends to turn out the best and have the best flavor. You will also need milk, just enough to fill that can, the can of cream of celery soup, and then you need a pound of pasta. You can also add cheese at the end if you want, like a cheddar cheese, and parsley for garnish, but it is completely optional. I will not be using it today just to save a little bit of money. The whole recipe costs roughly 3 pounds and will feed your whole family. And if you're just cooking for yourself like I am, then you'll have plenty of leftovers and it heats up very well for leftover lunch, leftover dinner, even breakfast if you really want for the next day. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So the first step is just to make sure your water is to a boil so that you can go ahead and add in the noodles. Next we are going to want to start on the sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and hope my can opener works, because sometimes it doesn't and it's not right now. We're going to just pour this in the saucepan. So after you have that in, go ahead and turn on the burner to about roughly, medium heat. This next step is very important. You want to drain all that oil or water or whatever it may be in there. I have no idea. Drain it really well. Next, you're going to go ahead and add that tuna in. And after you are done with that, it's time to add the final ingredient, which is 1 can of milk. We're just filling the can of cream of celery soup that we used, and we're just going to fill that up with the whole can of milk. So now we give that a good stir as well. Now, from here, all we do is wait for the sauce to heat up and the noodles to finish cooking. Okay, so I think my noodles are just about done. So I'm shutting off the stove. I do not have a strainer, so I use the lid to drain. So if you're doing this method, it gets very steamy. So once you're finished with that, go ahead and add your sauce to the noodles. Go ahead and mix it together. Go ahead and finish it off with some salt and pepper. This is the step where you would add cheese if you really wanted, and the parsley.